Hello everyone, it's me Dorothy and welcome back to Simple Dewdrops. Today I wanted to show you my night skincare routine. Of course, I don't do these steps every single night. I do them at least once every week just to make sure my skin is pampered and giving myself the love that I need to work throughout the week. So come on with me as I show you guys how I do my nighttime skincare routine. I first start off with the Rice Waterbright Cleansing Oil. I squeeze one pump right into the palms of my hands, rub it in real good, and then start massaging my face. I really like this product because it's very light. It gets off all of my makeup, especially like the waterproof mascara, waterproof eyeliner, all that yuckiness that's been on my skin for like the whole day. It really just melts it off with a very light sweep. I don't need to really go in and rub my face real hard, which obviously by now we know it's not good for the skin. But I just rub it really nice, really good all over my face, melting down all of the products, and it melts it down very seamlessly, and I do enjoy seeing the aftermath of how the oil has melted off my makeup. Usually after I wash the first round of the oil cleanser off my face, I do like to go a second round just to really melt down the eye makeup. I wear really waterproof mascara and eyeliner, so with just one time cleansing with the oil cleanser doesn't get off everything. So the second time usually gets off a lot more, and it also helps me to not rub as much or if at all afterwards after I do the oil cleanse the second time. And I do a slight round all over my face just to help get any excess makeup that I did not get the first time. I then use a Tula Probiotic cleanser, and I just take a little bit of it and put it on my fingertips, then rub it to warm it up, and then I start massaging my face, getting the product in all the cracks and crevices to get rid of all the oils and any excess makeup left on my face that wasn't washed away when I used water to wash off the oil. This cleanser was in my FabFitFun box when I bought it, I believe, during the winter time, and this product has lasted me forever. I always use a pea-sized amount, and it covers my whole entire face perfectly. So I really love this cleanser, and I will buy it again. I then use the Foreo Luna, the mini Foreo Luna, and take a little bit of that cleanser, and I start massaging my face with it again. I don't use the Foreo Luna every night. I use it max twice a week, just to get rid of all that gunk that's built up in my pores, because it vibrates and it helps the gunk kind of just fly out of the pores. I love the Foreo Luna because it helps my skin feel rejuvenated while it's not harsh on my skin, which makes it red. I have very sensitive skin, and a lot of times massaging it makes it red. This one doesn't. And no, this is not a sponsored video, if you're wondering. I just really like this mini Foreo Luna because it helps me, especially during the weeks where I wear a lot of makeup, and I feel a lot better when I use this product. This makeup eraser is thebomb.com. I absolutely love it. I'm using it every single day ever since it came in my winter FabFitFun box, and I'm not going back. I use this every single day without a doubt, and on days when I don't have that much energy, I use this and I don't feel as guilty about not washing my face with my other cleansers. This is a very nice product, and I highly recommend it. I also did a video on this before, so I'll leave it in the info box below so you guys can check it out. When exfoliating, I use the Somerville exfoliant to help remove all the dead skin cells off my face. I use a tiny pea-sized amount and start exfoliating. I really like it because the beads are very small and it doesn't create these scratches on my face that when I put products on, my face ends up stinging like crazy. It's very nice. It makes the face feel clean and refreshed. I use this product around once every single week, and I've noticed how my skin looks brighter afterwards, but my face isn't all scratched up and it doesn't hurt. So I can massage it for around 1 or 2 minutes without feeling like the beads are creating scratches all over my face. After exfoliating, I use a Generation Clay Purifying Brightening Clay Mask. And what this clay mask does is it helps detoxify your skin, and that allows your skin to glow. I do this step after exfoliate because when you exfoliate, you're removing all the dead skin cells. And then when you use this mask, it helps dig into the pores and remove all the impurities that are deeply stuck inside the pores, causing acne, blackheads, and all that nasty gunk. So after doing this step, I feel like my skin is glowing, it feels lighter, it feels cleaner. So I do this step every single week or every 2 weeks, and I really notice it making my skin bright. This is my skin after it's done, and I just washed and pat dry. The Thayers Rich Hazel toner has been the toner I've been using for a while. I notice how my skin feels soft afterwards, but I don't feel it doing anything really drastically. I will switch to another toner afterwards, but currently this is a toner I'm using. This toner does help balance my skin so I haven't been breaking out a lot besides hormones, but overall it's not a very special toner. The H2O Waterbright Mask helps rehydrate my skin from all the detoxification and exfoliating that I did. This helps kind of put water back into my skin and allow my skin to just calm down after detoxifying it so much. And I really like this mask because it just sticks onto the face, so I could do everything I need around the house and edit my videos, do work, whatever I need to do, and not be afraid that this mask is going to fall off my face because it just attaches onto your face. The Verso Hydration Serum has been the serum I've been using for quite some time now. This product came in my Ipsy Glam bag and I've been using it ever since. This product really does rehydrate your skin, hence the name, and my skin absolutely loves this product. It hydrates your skin, it rejuvenates your skin, and it makes your skin feel very plump. All I do is take a tad bit, and then I massage it between my fingers, and I just pat it on my face. And then I take maybe a little bit more depending on what areas need it a little bit more, and I start massaging my skin with this product. I actually use this product sometimes in the morning when my skin feels a bit dehydrated and I want to give it a little bit more TLC. Don't forget your neck area as well, because your neck area needs a lot of love. Not only your face needs love, your neck needs love too. The Cerave Moisturizing Cream has been the cream I've been using forever, hence the big tub. This cream is a very thick cream, and it really allows my face to feel moisturized till the next day. After being sick with the flu, with a lot of illnesses going on, my skin has completely dried out. And this product really helped maintain my skin's moisture during the time of like the flu, having fevers, and all that nastiness. This helped my skin still stick in the hydrated side while I was trying to hydrate my body. I absolutely love this product and I can't rave about it enough. I just massage it into my skin drinks it all up, and it feels absolutely refreshed and it feels very nice and soft afterwards. I not only use creams, but I use sleeping masks as well. And this one, my Glow Recipe, has been my addicted product. I love this product because it's very lightweight, but it keeps my skin moisturized. I do layer quite a few products at night because the nighttime is a time where your skin restores itself, and masks are what helps my skin really kind of feel relaxed and stay hydrated throughout the night, whether I'm sleeping on my face or on the side or in whatever position I'm sleeping in. I wake up the next morning still with this product on my face, and I love it. I put it on my neck, I put it on my face, and I love waking up the next morning with my skin feeling plump and hydrated. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up for more videos like this, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to be yourself and stay beautiful.